Hi guys, my name's Norm. I'm in my new home of 3 years now in southern Utah, sunny St. George. One thing about a new home is cleaning your new home. I have a product I'd like to show you today. It's called the AquaAir Wet Dry, the ultimate cleaning system that I'm very proud of and I use daily in this home and in also my previous home. I'm gonna go this way and show you. Pre-installed when I built the house, I have a water inlet and I have a central vac inlet. I have my tool already hooked up and I'm gonna plug it in for you. And it's as easy as this. And the central vac is working right now. Okay, this uses water and I'm on a nice wood floor. People worry about wood floors, but I'm in control of the water. You don't want to use too much water on a wood floor, so you use it as you go to clean your wood floors. We do this all the time on the wood floor. One problem about living in an area with a nice view, we have a nice deck out back, and the problem is the wind and the sand. Let me show you how this helps us with the wind and sand on my back deck. So as you can see out here, we've had plenty of wind come in. It's all over the tables, it's all over the tile. This is wood, this is tile. No more sweeping, mopping, dust pans. This does the whole job. And so as you can see out here how dirty it is from the wind, I just start with water, and you can see how immediately it cleans it up. Okay? I work my way out onto the deck so my hoses won't get dirty from the sand, and I can walk on it and I can clean it. And as you can see, the dirt comes right out. If you look along the edge of the carpet, it's loaded with dirt. I just flip up the edge, I go down with the water, back cleaning it up, and it's looking sweet back quick. As you can see in the window seals, the dirt blows in. You don't have to go for buckets or anything else. You can come up here, squirt the water out. You can also use the end of your tool to pull this end off. So as you can see, you pull the tool end off, and suck the dirt and the water right out. If you have a little too much, there you go again. Cleaning window seals is awesome. Cleaning corners is easy. Give it water, clean it out of the corners, and all this goes right down the drain. You want to clean the whole window? Give it some water, and then you can have your own little squeegee. Grab your hand squeegee, bring your water down the windows, clean your windows, and the vacuum's shut off because it's draining the tank down the sewer. And then all the water you sent down your windows, there you go. You can have a little rag and clean the corners, and you got your windows. Okay, I'm going to put this tool end back on. Another issue, we got a quick party coming and the wind blew all night. This will clean your wood table that quick. Clean any table. You add the water and then you suck it up. There you go. Naturally, you'll have to take a rag to your chairs and then back to the tile. Easy as that. You can see how quick it works. Sucks all the water and dirt up, goes right down the drain. And again, you're in charge of the water. If you accidentally leave your hand on it too much, you get a little bit of water. But no problem. Right down the drain. Okay. We'll go over to here. Table's dirty. Believe it or not, gets the dirt right off your table. Then take a rag to it and you're done. Here's another item on stains, on anything on the floor. All this is from getting in and out of the spa. Just like new in no time. Even will do the top of the stairs. This is the ultimate cleaning machine. You've seen me do windows, tables, stairs. Show you another one. Pool cup. The spa cover's got dirt all over it. Just gonna add some water. Clean as a whistle. It has shut off so that the water can drain down the sewer. Once you get used to it, you can do sides of things. Remember, you're in charge of the water. Then from here, a quick rag for quick cleanup, and you got it. Stains, dirt, and the tile's clean. Again, you're in charge of the water. There's a brush and a squeegee. This will clean. This will squeegee it up, goes through, and the water's gone. If you put too much water in your spa, and you have to get it out, guess what? Try this with your vacuum. You can take it down an inch at a time, and it's going down the drain right now as we speak. Hi guys, here again. Done with my deck. Resting now. Did it in a fraction of the time. No brooms, dustpans, mops. The only tool you need is this, and a squeegee if you want it, and a rag if you want it to clean edges and things that this need barely dried off. All of the dirt, grime, water down the drain. I didn't touch any of it. It went to the machine. It was filtered through a net, and anything that we didn't want to lose or have go into the sewer would get caught in the net, such as wedding rings, money, your wallet. But anyhow, everything is done. And like I said, in a fraction of a time, using your AquaAir Wet Dry
It's an ultimate cleaning machine. I can't live without it. I use it daily for all types of chores. Thanks again. We'll see you later.